This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Libre in Roblox. Open Roblox Studio and use a new base plate, then import a Nacho Libre model from the toolbox. Position the model where players spawn and anchor necessary parts. Add a simple script to detect equip and change animation. Test in play mode, fix collisions, and save iterations often to avoid losing progress. In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Libre in Roblox. Write a local script that listens for a tool equip and triggers the Nacho Libre animation. Keep animation tracks lightweight and use priority settings so moves don't conflict. Add simple sound effects and particle bursts for comedic flair. Test with friends to refine timing, then iterate until movements feel punchy and fun for players. In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Libre in Roblox. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for carrying nacho toppings to your desk while scripting. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save you cleanup time between builds. If you like helpful pics, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Libre in Roblox. Fine-tune collisions and animations for seamless player interaction and avoid clipping. Use playtest sessions to spot synchronization problems and correct server-client responsibilities. Add brief UI tips to explain controls and features. Iterate on feedback, compress assets for faster load, and keep a changelog so you know which tweaks improved gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.